Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I did these boho knotless braids. This video is sponsored by YWIGS Hair, and they sent me over 3 of their body wave bundles in 20 inches, 100% human hair. It also came with a starter kit that came with 2 clips, a edge brush, a comb, and a crochet needle. As y'all can see, these bundles are it's giving very silky, very smooth. I'm running my hands through it. I will say these bundles did have a little bit of shedding, which is also normal when dealing with human hair, but other than that, I really love this hair. It was very easy to pull from, very easy to install. Make sure y'all check the link in my description box below to get the direct link to this hair, and also to check out some more of their human hair. For this style, I use all 3 bundles of the body wave hair, and then I use 2.5 packs of pre-stretched expressions hair in 52 inches in the color 1B. To add in the boho hair, I'm taking a nice size and I'm going to add it in on my right side, with one side being longer than the other. Then I'm going to continue braiding until the longer piece gets to my left. I'm going to pull it out and wrap it around her ponytail or a clip just to get it out the way, and then I'm going to continue braiding. You want to make sure that the piece that you're inserting in the shorter side is long enough so that you can braid it. That way it doesn't slip out her braids. I'm doing these braids in a medium size, so I did 2 rows in the back and then 5 rows at the top. I am doing these braids a little bit thicker than I would normally do, so I'm adding in a little bit of extra braiding hair just so that I can tuck her color ends as much as I could. But because these were super full and I added all 3 bundles, I was able to disguise her colored hair. For the rows in the back, I think I started off with adding about 4 pieces of the boho hair on each braid, and then once I got to the top, I think I ended up adding about 6. For the top section, I decided to pre-part my rows. I felt like it would help me move a little bit quicker through the style. So I basically just did a middle part, and then I sectioned off my 5 rows at the top on each side, matching them up towards the middle. So this is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Stay tuned to the end to see the finished look, and make sure y'all do everything I'm finna tell y'all to do. Number one, make sure y'all click the link in my description box below so that y'all can shop this human hair from YWIGS Hair. It was really good and I really liked it, so make sure y'all shop that hair. And make sure y'all shop BBS Hair Care for the best edge control, which is my brand of edge control. That link will also be in the description box below, so shop there. Also, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure y'all follow me on all of my social medias at sway.ken on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and TikTok, and I will catch y'all in the next video.